Imagine you're flying from Harare to Dubai. You land in Lusaka, but instead of stretching your legs, you sit and wait. Passengers disembark, cleaners move through the aisles, new travelers board, all while you remain stuck in your seat. For Emirates, this is efficiency. For business travelers like me, it's wasted time. Emirates operates the Dubai-Lusaka-Harare route as a tag flight. One aircraft rotation covers 2 cities, maximizing utilization. But the passenger experience suffers. Cleaning and onboarding while seated disrupts comfort, creates congestion, and undermines the premium feel of long-haul travel. In business, time is money, and this practice drains productivity. Zimbabwe's aviation market is recovering, with over 1.8 million passengers in the first 8 months of 2025. Sustaining a daily non-stop requires around 100,000 passengers annually, plus strong cargo flows. A 5 times weekly wide-body could work if demand reaches 85,000 passengers at 80% load factor. Cargo, like perishables and mining exports, could tip the balance. Business travelers don't have to rely on Emirates. Zimbabwe already has efficient non-stops: Harare to Johannesburg, Addis Ababa, Nairobi, Kigali, and Doha. Victoria Falls to Amsterdam and Frankfurt seasonally. For premium travelers, Doha and Addis stand out strategic gateways offering global reach without the Lusaka Detour. The tag flight reflects operational pragmatism, but it's misaligned with modern passenger experience principles. Comfort is compromised, hygiene feels superficial, accessibility suffers, and delays in Lusaka ripple downstream. For business travelers, this isn't just inconvenient, it's a barrier to productivity. If Zimbabwe wants to reclaim control of its connectivity, Air Zimbabwe must step up. Launch targeted non-stops to London, Frankfurt, Guangzhou, and Doha. Start lean 3 to 5 flights weekly, then scale smart. Leverage cargo revenue to stabilize yields. Forge partnerships with Ethiopian, Kenya Airways, and Qatar Airways. Invest in passenger experience, marketing non-stops as time-saving solutions for professionals. Emirates tag flight is efficient for the airline, but wasteful for the passenger. Zimbabwe's future lies in direct, strategic connections that respect both efficiency and dignity. For business travelers, the message is clear: direct flights matter,